To know if a power station can run your refrigerator, you need to understand three things: running watts, startup surge, battery capacity. If you miss any one of those, you can buy the wrong unit. Once a refrigerator is running, it uses a moderate, manageable amount of power. But the real trap is the startup surge. When the compressor kicks on, it needs a massive burst of extra power. Without enough output strength for this exact moment, it fails. Now let's talk about battery capacity. Even if your power station can start the fridge, that does not mean it will run it for very long. That depends on the battery size. So with refrigerators, you need to ask two separate questions. First, can the power station start the fridge? That is an output and surge question. Second, how long can it keep the fridge going? That is a battery capacity question. Both matter. A refrigerator does not pull the same power every second of the day. It cycles. The compressor turns on, then off, then back on again. That means the fridge is not drawing full power non-stop. But it also means startup surge keeps coming back each time that compressor starts. So your power station has to survive more than one startup event. That matters. People try to compare refrigerators as if they are all the same. They are not. A garage fridge is different from a newer Energy Star model. A mini fridge is a different category entirely. The better question is, which refrigerator? Before you trust any power station for fridge backup, ask these questions. What is the fridge's normal running wattage? What is the likely startup surge? What is the output rating of the power station? What is the surge rating if listed? And how many watt-hours does the battery actually have? That is the decision framework, not hype, not just brand names, not just one big number on the box. So here is the verdict. Yes, a power station can run some refrigerators, but only if it has enough output to handle startup surge and enough battery capacity to provide useful runtime. Do not guess. Check the fridge, check the power station, match the numbers. In the next video, we will cover the next question that trips people up. How long will a power station actually run your fridge?